Hi everyone, welcome back. And in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to turn any YouTube video into a LinkedIn post, like a ready to go LinkedIn post following your own niche and your own way of articulation and your own tonality. This is really simple. You could do that with literally just getting the link of the YouTube video, pasting it on this tool, and hit generate. That's all you need. Um, so first of all, you've got to fetch your brand. So the tool's name is Exceed Digitals or Exceed AI. The URL is exceeddigitals.com. Once you go there and create an account and you sign in, first thing you want to do is you want to fetch your account, fetch your brand. Now, what I like about these tools or this tool specifically is that it fetches my brand and my niche and my tonality and my way of articulation without asking me to sign in to my LinkedIn account. So the only thing I need to give them is the URL of my account. And then I hit fetch, and there you go. Now they know, now they've studied my content, my posts, and everything. Now, the posts or like the tool that turns any YouTube video into 3 LinkedIn posts, you can find it under repurposing, which is in beta, by the way. This is something new that they've launched. Again, these are families of AI tools. There's ideation tools, drafting tools, prospecting tools, strategy tools. But what I like is, or what I want to talk about in this tutorial is repurposing tools. This is beta, new. They're launching a blog to LinkedIn where you give it a URL of a blog and then uh, it gives you a LinkedIn post or a LinkedIn post to newsletter that you can post straight on your LinkedIn. But now what they've launched, which is really interesting, and I tested it myself many times with a couple of videos, is YouTube to LinkedIn. I do not have to watch an entire YouTube video to summarize it and then write content about it, right? All I need to do is let's say, um, I'll take this video for example. I just typed in LinkedIn, um, and then the first video here is this one. I copied the link. Let me go back here. Let me paste the link. What it does is paste a YouTube video link, and AI will create 3 LinkedIn posts from 3 different angles in your brand voice. Now, if your brand is not fetched, it's going to ask you to fetch your brand first and then use the tool. Let's see what it gives us. And in the meantime, I want to comment on something else. What I like about these tools is they're all interconnected. So let's say I used a tool in ideation, right? And it gave me 3 different, actually, one of the tools in ideation gives you 10 different ideas with resources. If I liked an idea, with one click, I can bring it to drafting. Uh, and then let me pause here and show you this post, right? This is literally the way I speak on LinkedIn. This is exactly how I sound on LinkedIn. And the beauty of it is it gave you 3 angles, right? And each angle is explained. That's 1, 2, and 3. Let's say I like this post and I'm going to go ahead with this one. I can either copy it and paste it and post it on my LinkedIn, or I can use other tools that are in drafting, again, as I told you. One of them is an enricher, okay, where it enriches your post with research and references. And another tool is hooks, where it generates 10 different hooks for your post. For the purpose of the length of this tutorial, I'm not gonna cover other tools. You feel free to go ahead and use them yourself. They are amazing. The hook tool is something that I can't stop using. As you can see, I've used the tools 42 times in 1 week, and most of these credits were used on hooks and enrichment. Enrichment saves me time researching, and hooks is something nice, right? I mean, you get creative hooks that you can add to your post, and the results are crazy when it comes to impressions and reachability. Thank you, guys, and you'll see me in future tutorials covering other tools. Thank you, and have a good one.